There you go. Whoa! So what up, guys? We have gotten to our destination. Hey, what's up, man? To our first of the year cruise. Everybody's here. I heard there's a couple of mishaps that happened on the road. We won't pull that out, but I heard somebody got a ticket for 160 miles an hour or 130. I don't know which one it is, but
132.
132. There you go. So, this is where we're at. We're out in Indian Springs, Pahrump. Well, everybody's just pulling in now. Just want to show you guys what's up, what's going on. We got another guy here. Rip it, rip it, rip it! That's it. Crowd control. It is a beautiful day out today. Got everyone out here chilling. Everybody's pulling up. That's my boy in the Mazda. Rip it, quarter mile strip, man, right there. One more, one more, one more. Come on, man, one more. So we'll catch up with you guys with another part. We're kind of hanging out right now. Look at all the crazy cars.
Oh, did y'all?
Yo, nice one, man. Rocking it out. 32. Oh. Jacob put it back in the back in case somebody like rips it. He's smart. It's pretty far. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.